Hello, guys. Welcome to the review of Agencies. Agencies is a WordPress framework theme. It's kind of a done for you system which you will upload it on your WordPress site. I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we are on the dashboard of Agencies. As you can see, it says that download agency theme. So agencies theme, so we have to download it. Then we have some logo and content thing. Then we have done for you as agency. Then we have manage your library. So basically this theme you have to download from here. For example, I'm going to download it, and you have to upload it on your WordPress. So what you can do, you can go to appearances, and here you have to add your theme. So kind of a thing, like you have to upload here and you have to install here. So I'm going to install it, and meanwhile I have written an article on agencies. You can check on the link on the description of this video. And what we have here, I have some special bonuses for you, so you can get most of it. So I have added bonuses, so you can check on the link below. Not going to waste your time, so here I'm going to activate. You can check that on the link. If you buy through my link, you will able to get all these bonuses. So what we have to do here, and we have to go to agencies, and we have an option of agencies. I have to put here the license key. I think I already have one. You can get your license key on your dashboard, right here on license. You can get your license keys already in use, so I have to create a new one. So I can copy this one, and I have to paste here. Now what we have here is the theme. I have to choose the theme and the content. They have integrated almost everything, to plumbers, to the local businesses. They have included everything like taxi and all the stuff, the camera shop, of anything they have added here. So they all are done for you. Done for you means you have to not do anything. You have to just select it and change. You have to change like few things like addresses and all that stuff, and you have to choose the color. Then you have to import it, and now boom, your website. You can also set up the done for you content. So I'm going to give it a to show you how this works. After, you can change all that stuff, and all the things are there. Also on the dashboard, you will able to get all the trainings. So don't worry about it. So you here you can see all the training. So they have included everything, how to do all the stuff. So don't worry about it. You can get it. I'm going to show you everything almost. So here we are on the dashboard. Now let's see how my website is looking like. So now my website has been loaded. You can see all the things has been done here, like testimonials and all the stuff. You can choose wherever theme you want, and they have also created different types of pages also. So the software take care of everything. For example, see this, but you have to change it according to you. And so for example, I go to service page, then we have different kind of service, and where you have to add it in these. For example, you want to add a new service, so here you have to add it, right here you have to add it. And if you want to add some more portfolios, clients, testimonials, and all the stuff can be done here. Yeah, you can write down your services and all that. and you can go and like add up, set a picture here. So here you are going to add all this thing. Now we have some more feature. For example, I go to dashboard. What I can do, I can also change the theme. So for example, if I want to change theme and I didn't like that theme, or your client doesn't like that theme, what you can do, you can like uh, add some more themes here, or you can change it. So that can be done, right? Then we have color schemes that we can change. So we are on the side of everything we can change here. So it is to be like thing you cannot change on this website. So all the thing is here. For example, background image, logo, and all this. This really makes your like very easy to create a website. Then we have some more options here. So for example, user engagement, I can like add on these things. Then we have mobile site, then we have SEO, so we can set our meta and all the stuff here. And then we have social media platforms. I can put down the link, and I can also show them on the header and footer. Then we have lead management. For example, if you are like using and contact form and all the stuff, so what you can do, what you like, you will have all your data here, lead reports and all the stuff. Then we have analytics. So I can like add tracking codes directly. For example, a Google tracking codes, or Facebook ads, and all the stuff can be done here. And I have to save it. So these all are the options, and I can also go to styling, and I can like, if I want to change something on header, so I have to go to like the colors and all the stuff. And as you know, you can like go on and do all the stuff. So if you are thinking to buy it, what you can do, you can buy it through my link from my website, and you are going to get some really exciting bonuses from my side. And on these links you have to click and you have to buy it if you like this software. So guys, thank you for this video. See you.